Yo, what is up everybody? Hope everyone's had a great Christmas and a happy new year. Welcome back to the Blood, Sweat and Gears YouTube channel. My name's Stingy Roger and today we're getting back out on the bike. I haven't been able to make much content recently just because we've had floods and storms, lots of roads are underwater, people's houses, roofs are being blown off, but kind of getting back to normal now. We might get into some flood stuff on the way. I know there's a road around the corner which is flooded. I have to go through to get there to the forest, but buzzing to get back on the bike, so stay tuned. I'm just going to get ready and then we'll head out. So this is Will, owner of WGT Rims. You might have seen him as UK Rondon, but he changes his name every week. And you are? Stan. Nice to meet you, Stan. Stan's got a fairly stock Surron, but we're going to head out onto the trails. It's all waterlogged. I'll put some pictures up now of what it looks like on the roads, but yeah, we'll see how it looks. Yo, so we've got a standard Surron in front of us. Got my new 360 cam. Rondon, the owner of WGT Wheels. I'll put his link on the screen now. He sells the sickest wheels and rotors. I've actually got one of his rotors to review. Maybe I'll show you what they look like on his bike in a bit when we stop, but yeah. I've never actually met Stan before in front of me. He seems like a really nice guy. His bike's pretty standard, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. This trail from a few videos ago. Wicked trail, very slippery though. Yeah, so luckily for me, Stan's bike doesn't have enough power to actually flick too much up. If I was my own wheel, I'd be getting roosted. Go on, shout straight for it. A bit conscious of my camera. I don't want to break it, hitting it on anything. That trail's got to be one of the best. So these are Will's WGT Wheels. So they're his own brand, front and back. He also does like the spacers, he does the brake rotors, he does the sprockets. As you can see, he's got the full works on his.
Nipples.
Blue nipples, blue
Any
hubs.
custom colours you want.
Yeah, any custom colours. So here's his Instagram. Give him a shout if you want any wheel sets. They're in stock in the UK, so you don't have to wait and you don't have to pay VAT on top. And I'll put some pictures up now of custom colours.
1 day delivery time as well.
1 day, next day delivery?
Yeah.
So I'll put some pictures up now of the custom colours he's done. So if you've got a build and you want a set, hit him up. Hello. That's okay. No worries. Hello. You're welcome. No worries. See, people like the e-bike. So we just pulled up to the jump spot. And they just happen to go. Will's hitting the big jump. Oh, a little bit more would have cleared. You'd have that. Stands on my bike. This is Surron. He's just giving it a go, see what he thinks, because he wants to do some upgrades. So guys, just got back from the ride. Bike is covered in mud, so am I. But yeah, great ride. Couldn't film everything. It's just a bit too muddy and my SD card ran out of battery. But I have got something to show you from WGT Wheels, which I just got to get out of my backpack now. So this is actually one of WGT floating wheel rotors. So this is a brake rotor or brake disc if you're from the UK. It's 220mm. He's given me the rear one because he knows I've already got the Hope floating and vented rotor disc on the front. But yeah, buzzing to get this on the bike. It's super high quality. It's also a bit thicker than the standard one, so it should dissipate heat better. And look at the colours, it's just amazing. I haven't actually seen another one with these beveled edges like this. But yeah, these perfectly complement his wheel sets. He also does sprockets, which you would have seen earlier, but I'm going to get this on the bike and we'll do a review video soon. But yeah, super impressed at the quality of it. All these cuts and machined holes are really nice. So yeah, check out his Instagram if you're interested in any of his products. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and tuning back into the channel. I know it's been a while and I'm sorry for that. It's just the weather hasn't really been playing ball, but it's great to be back out on the bike and great to be making videos again. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the 360 camera footage. There's plenty more of that to come in future rides. But yeah, as always, my name's Stingy Roger. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, drop me a comment, tell me what you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you next week.